Hi, I'm Mark Martinsik with Key Advisors, and Valerie Woods and I put together this next workshop based on managing capacity and workflow, certainly a lofty goal or task. Capacity analysis can be real simple, just looking at forecasting the capacity based on the number of techs here per day or per week or per month, times the hours, and times whatever your proficiency rate is. But there's more to it. It gets more complicated, particularly when you're trying to drive more from less or increasing efficiencies all the way around. As you can see in this quick example, I have 15 techs on staff, but with some adjustments and creating flow in my department, I might be able to get that work done with as little as 11 and a half or 12 technicians, thereby cutting my costs and producing more faster or increasing my capacity to do more. Workflow management is always a lofty task. There's a lot of things that affect it. It certainly is always dependent on commitment of your foreman, parts manager, technicians, service writers to accomplish your objectives and delivering every vehicle on the due date with zero defects. Some of the things you need to look at, obviously, are identification of technician skill levels, right job to the right tech, internal communications, setting realistic goals based on production history, role descriptions for each person, effective best practice process and the structure that goes with it. Parts availability certainly matters. Access to needed tools and equipment quickly and efficiently matters. Operational awareness, which we talked about in some of the other videos. And of course, always effective leadership. So creating flow is not as easy as it sounds. You need to get everyone involved. You need to understand the value from the customer's perspective, understand a value stream. And we're going to talk a little bit about value stream right now, but a lot in the workshop. Removing waste from your process. Making the value stream flow by eliminating waste, creating pull, engage in coaching, and continuous improvement. Don't try and fix it all at once. A simple value stream map might look like this. A little bit more complicated math, but one that gives you more information might look like this. And we'll be doing some value stream mapping in this workshop. It's all about creating flow. Please reach out to me with any questions, or Valerie. Here's our email addresses. We hope you enroll soon. There's a link on this page to register. Hope to get you involved. Thank you.